How to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. First, to fix your messages not sending, check your internet connection. That is one of the most basic steps that you'll need to do. You can switch between your mobile data as well. If that works for you, that means that your Wi-Fi is not good. You will need to change to a better connection. And if your internet is not the issue, restart your app. Remove it from the background. And after you remove it from the background, restart it by opening it up. And after you do that, any temporary bugs will get removed. If not, clear out the cache. To do that, long press on your Messenger app. Then tap on App Info. After you're on your App Info, head over to Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. So this will fix any temporary bugs in your files of your Messenger app, and that should fix it for you. If none of these work, what you can do is you can try to update your app, and also if there is no update available, reinstall the app after you uninstall it. Also make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. You can do that by heading over to your settings. Head over to Network and Internet. From there you'll find VPN. Tap on it and check if you're connected to one. If you are, disable your VPN and that should fix your problems for you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.